how-to tutorial on coming into Wild Thing. From your downward facing dog, come forward into your plank. Take your left hand 3/4 in on your mat. Take your right leg, draw it back behind you and extend back with your fingers, lifting your hips and lifting your heart. Guide yourself now back to your downward facing dog. You're going to apply the same principles as you come into Wild Thing from here. Draw your right leg up, extend up through your toes, and then bend your knee. Guide your leg back behind you. Lift your hips as you just did, lift your heart, and reach your fingers back. Try to ensure the opposite leg straight and strong, and then bring yourself back to your downward facing dog to come into pigeon. From here, bring your hands together at your heart, or for a deeper variation, you can begin to fold forward, bringing your arms out in front of you. Wild Thing is a heart opener, and heart openers are exhilarating, but it's important to provide a counter pose after coming into one. So now you can guide yourself into Sukhasana, or if you prefer, Virasana, allowing yourself to settle in ground. Bring your hands together at your heart, take a deep inhale through your nose, and exhale out your mouth. Namaste.